What's up, my LS crazed amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. You know what's up with the Trailblazer SS Project. You know, we're doing an Aeromotive Phantom Fuel delivery system, which I can't wait to try it out. But we put the tank in the truck for a test fitting, and we realized, being that I got this little pocket right here, and there's a piece of the frame that goes real tight. I think I can get away with it, but I can't. It goes really close to the tank. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna snake it with this 90-degree fitting right here. So put it here, just like that. And we're gonna snake it. So it's gonna come sharp, not too sharp, but it's gonna go alongside the frame, alongside the tank. So I just cut the new holes for the length that I need. And I should mention, whenever you're doing stainless steel braided hoses, get yourself a high quality hose. Don't get the cheap ones. It would be the difference between when you go to cut it, this and this. Well, it's a little extreme, but this. You know, now once I remove that tape, this metal is gonna fan out pretty bad. And plus, if you get yourself a high quality hose, you'll be able to do this. Put it straight on. Put the collar straight on. I didn't prick my fingers. Now once you make your hose and you got them the size that you want, it's so important to blow them out. When I say blow them out, you gotta clean the inside out of all the contaminants that are in there from cutting them. So what I did was I just cut this hose, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you. Of course it's on a lower scale, you know, a little short hose, but you still get the purpose, all right? I like to use throttle body cleaner. A little air. Do it again. A little more air. All right. Look at this. Important. Because you do not want this to go from the pump, through the filter, through the regulator, through the rails, and hit the injectors, because they'll clog it up. So always blow your hoses out once you cut them. It's going to come off, it's going to snake like this, and it's going to go alongside the rails. So this is going to go to the regulator, and this is going to go to the regulator as return. So I think we're good to go to install this tank now. So there you have it. Next step, install this tank, plumb it, all that good stuff that comes with upgrading your fuel system. Now, I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling. It's time for me to head on off. Now, check this out. If you like these videos, because I'm enjoying doing them, because I really enjoy helping people, and hopefully, you know, these videos can help you get your car going, or your LS equipped vehicle, or maybe not even an LS equipped vehicle. But if you enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe right now, hit the likes, and while you're at it, there's like a little bell, ding-a-ling, little bell right next to the subscription. Hit that. That way, you can be notified when I put another video out, and Coverman puts another video out, and you can check them out. All right? But as always, I'm looking at the clock on the wall, and I want to say thank you guys for joining me. And it's about that time for me to head on off, and like I said, do something else, maybe get something to eat, because I'm a little starving, before I put this in. Because you got to be in the right frame of mind when you're doing stuff like this. All right? So as always, please be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.